how to turn on or turn off don't allow duplicate songs in Samsung Music on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here, tap on Samsung Music. Next, tap on the option key, and from the pop-up, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Don't Allow Duplicate Songs. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. If you turn this feature on, then in your music player, it will not allow duplicate songs showing in the queue. And after that, tap on the back key to go back to your music player, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.